Welcome to this DEEPLIZARD series where we deliver bite-sized, practical, and intuitive explanations for the most common terms and concepts in the field of deep learning. I'm Mandy, and today's topic is narrow AI versus AGI. Artificial intelligence, otherwise known as AI, is intelligence that is inhabited by a machine rather than by a natural or biological life form. The different subfields of AI make use of various types of learning algorithms to get machines to complete various different types of tasks. In the broadest sense, AI can be broken down into two different types of categories. These two categories are that of narrow AI and general AI. General AI is oftentimes abbreviated as AGI for artificial general intelligence. So different types of artificially intelligent machines or programs can be labeled with either being narrow AI or AGI. These labels or categories are based on what type of task the artificially intelligent agent is able to do. Narrow AI is AI that is only focused on a single narrow subject or task. For example, you may have had the experience of being auto-tagged in a photo on social media. You know, when a friend uploads a photo to a social media platform and you get a notification that says, "Hey, this looks like you in this photo, is it right?" Well, underneath the hood, that is likely an AI that is able to identify you in that photo and making the suggestion to you that this is a photo of you and then asking you to confirm whether or not its suggestion is correct. This is considered narrow AI because it has the single objective of accurately classifying photos of individuals on social media. Another example of narrow AI would be that of self-driving cars. The overall task of the AI within a self-driving car might be to get a person safely from point A to point B. Now, on the other side of the spectrum from narrow AI, we have general AI or AGI. AGI is inhabited by an artificially intelligent system if it's able to learn and do any intellectual task that a human can do. So an AGI self-driving car might not only be able to get you from point A to point B safely, but can also be your physical trainer and accurately predict the weather and come up with a cure for cancer, develop the recipe for the world's best donut, and so on. As you can imagine, currently all AI systems in the world today are considered narrow AI. While AGI is an active area of research, it has yet to be solved. Once it is, you can bet that our world as we know it will forever be changed.